Alright, so we're going to change these lights to all singing, all dancing. Smart lights. Basically, it'll probably change the room into a disco. Is the customer happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, spot on. Right, well let's take these ones down. And these ones were installed a little while ago, I assume, by somebody else. Which, they don't look level. It looks like they were installed by someone that keeps falling off a motorbike. So we get these out the ceiling. And there's nothing wrong with these lights, is there?
Nah, they're perfect.
They're good lights. We'd like them to be different colours. Right, so then, and then, oh, these Anster ones are quite good. But we've got a live earth and neutral look. So we'll pull this out, press these down. Ooh, to get them out. That earth fell on the floor. Whoa. What we want to do, put that blade in. Oh, where's that little bit of earth gone? Over here. Because we're a lazy git and we don't want to go back to the van and get some earth sleeving. So, then we'll open this up. Let's have a look. Come towards the window so we've got a bit more light. And what is in here? Basically, they look the same, don't they?
Yeah. Yeah, they do actually. They look really flush.
Let's have a look. They look completely similar, maybe a bit smaller.
That one's better and all.
What do you mean?
They just look nicer, don't they? Like, instead of having a...
Cleaner.
Yeah.
Well, they were a little few years old, aren't they? So then, we'll take this off, because it makes my life easier. And then, put the live neutral and earth into this. Live neutral earth, yeah. Without getting that fall off. There we go, push it in. Nice and tight, give it a bit of a tug. So you're going to start having discos once all these
Yeah,
lights
we'll
in,
just rave.
Raves, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Start hosting.
Yeah. Invite everyone round.
Yeah.
Right, push this in. Good connection, give it a tug. Spot on. Now we want this lid back on there. And the beauty about these is you can put them straight in the ceiling and not worry about what settings they're on, because there's a surprise how we set them up. Oh. Look at this, driver in there, and then pull these springs back. Look at that. Oh, it's got a magnetic bezel on it as well, so you can change the bezel if you want. If you want to make these, well, you can paint them, or you can get polished chrome, brushed chrome, black, because Lasico do a big range, I know that much. So that's one up. Let's go over here. Well, I'm going to stand on your bed just to make my life easier. Right, get this down. This one's got one in. Do you know why it's got one cable?
Why?
Because this is the end of line, like you've got four, so it loops in, loops out, and then this one is the last one. And that neutral come out anyway, so we're doing it a favour. So whoever put these in, no, it's probably me actually, sticking my screwdriver in there to be honest. There we go, take this back out. Put that in there. Oh, where the box is in the bloody bed? Smart Lasico. This is going to be exciting, isn't it?
So how does it feel being an electrician?
Sometimes it's a bit shocking.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not too bad. Would you like to be an electrician when you're older?
No.
Why not?
I just would find it horrible.
Why?
I think just going into people's houses, like...
Yeah, but I've got like cups of tea today, I've got a bit of cake. It's been great.
What would you say your weirdest customer was, like how they acted, what it was, or?
Basically, I had a customer that had rats in their house, and they wanted me to rewire the light in because the rats had chewed through the lights, and all the lights didn't work. So I said, no worries, that's fine. They had someone in to put rat traps out, and then I wired all the lights. They all worked beautifully, shadow lighting, it was lovely. But then 1 month later, I got a phone call saying the lights had gone out. And I went there. Can you guess what happened?
What?
She had rats again. The place was, to put it politely, a dump.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, I said, look, I'm not going to bother doing it all again because I'll feel bad, keep charging you every month to rewire your lights when ideally you want to get rid of the rats, mate. So that was a bit of a weird one, and I think she got someone else to do it, like, which is funny because she'll be paying every month. I didn't want to be that person that I felt like I was ripping her off a bit if I charged her again to do the same job after she needs the rats out, basically. Right, 2 down, 2 to go. Get over here to get this light. This is a bit pants because I broke it.
Why? What did you do to it?
I stepped on it in the van. The amount of stuff I've got in the van, I stepped on it, broke it. So what do you want to be when you're older?
I would like to be someone who doesn't... I'd like to own my own company, and I feel like everyone in this generation always talks about like a clothes brand for some reason.
Right, yes, good idea.
Yeah, however, I don't think I'll be into that sort of stuff, so I feel like I'll be more into outdoor manual labour.
Yeah?
Then, yeah.
So you don't want a desk job in effect, so something similar to electrician then?
Yeah.
Manual labour-ish?
Yeah, try keep it outside though.
Yeah, or like farming?
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah? And you can look after cows, pigs and chickens and stuff.
You make a fortune on that.
You can do, I think, but not a massive amount, I wouldn't say.
No.
I suppose if you own it and then you got a little cafe on the side.
Yeah.
Well, because you got all the free meat and stuff, haven't you?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's plan A then, is it?
Yeah, plan A. Plan B, there's no plan B.
No plan B, you're going to say, good, I like it. You're determined to make plan A work. Spot on. So right, have you looked where you're going to get a farm?
Well, I don't really know because I don't think a farm would be my dream ideal job because I feel like they don't have a lot of personality.
What, farms?
No, farmers. And 2, like, they don't really have a life. Like, they wouldn't go
working.
Yeah, they wouldn't go out riding dirt bikes for the day.
Oh no, they'll have the dirt bike track in their own.
Own farm. Yeah. Yeah.
So your idea of farming then's gone straight out the window? Yeah,
straight. I ain't being a farmer.
No.
No.
Oh, so we're already on to plan B.
Yep.
Which we ain't got.
Not yet.
Oh, sugar. I've dropped that little bit.
Where is it?
Better eyes than me, surely.
You know,
no, Blake, on your desk.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you know what I done the other day? I dropped a bolt and I was recording myself putting the monitor arm together on my monitor, and the bolt dropped on the floor and I couldn't find it. So what I'd done, I rewatched the video and I found it.
Oh, you found where it was? That's a wicked idea.
Yeah.
Well done, man.
Yeah.
So would you like to do anything with like social media or something like that?
I would, but I don't know if it would be an ideal thing. You'd have to be famous for something.
Well, yeah, but how do you think people get famous?
Do stuff silly.
Not necessarily silly, like I'm trying to think. Do you know? You probably don't know Alan Sugar, no?
Nah.
Some people, Richard Branson, who does the not planes. Yeah, he's got planes.
Does he?
Well, you know Virgin?
Yeah.
He owns all that.
Does he?
Yeah. Richard Branson. What about roller shutter doors? Would you like to do them?
Well, I feel like it would be a terrible job. However, it would be pretty fun.
Why would it be a terrible job?
Because you're always outside in the rain.
Well, you just said you want to be outside.
I mean, Yeah, I did, but I don't know, because...
Yeah, you want to do it when it's dry. You don't want to do it in the winter.
Yeah, unless you're the business owner, then it's going to be terrible, because the amount of jobs that the boys have to do, like Dad will send them out on like Christmas Day or something.
Oh. I keep dropping that.
Dropped £1. Oh wait, no.
That's mine.
Yeah.
Wait. You're paying me already.
Yeah.
And this is the last one.
And then do you have to program them on the app, or can you just turn them straight on?
You can turn them straight on, but they'll come on one colour.
Yeah.
And then we'll download the app onto your phone, because it's your room. No one else will want to control these, will they?
Nah. That'd be pretty cool, because when I'm laying in bed, then you can...
Turn your lights on and off and get out of bed. You lazy bones.
Wait, can you do that?
Yeah, of course you can.
Yeah, honestly, you know the amount of times that I've honestly done that. Like, I'll go to lay down and I'll forget to turn off the light.
The thing is as well, you know, have you got an Alexa in here?
Nah, I used to, but...
Oh. Well, even you've got Siri on your phone, haven't you?
Yeah.
You can talk to your phone and do it.
Why, these compatible with Alexas and that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what I actually have an Alexa somewhere in one of these drawers. So
if you set it up on your phone, you can do it with Siri.
Yeah. Yeah.
So then this.
Did you always want to be an electrician?
Nope.
No. What was your first job?
A mechanic.
A mechanic?
I was a mechanic. I got an apprenticeship as a mechanic.
Yeah.
But then, halfway from my first year, I saw someone laying on the floor getting covered in oil. And he was about 40. I thought, yeah, I don't want to do that. So I quit the next day.
So... Oh.
Oh, sugar, turn them off because they're in pairing mode. Right.
Uh-oh.
Let's get your phone then. Right. So then download. Can you scan that one?
Yep.
That is the one we're scanning there that comes in the paperwork. The BG Home.
That
one. It's the iPhone, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
App Store. Get it. Just put your code on, I think.
Yep.
There we go.
Add
device, right. So now we've got it where it says add device. So we're turning the lights on, and I'm assuming they're in pairing mode. This is just doing a bloke thing and winging it basically. Except Wi-Fi equipment, so go click on that. So you got to connect that app to the Wi-Fi. Do you know your Wi-Fi password?
Yeah.
So lighting, setup mode, right. Not bulbs, LED downlights. Yeah. Switch on the lamps. It should be in setup mode. The lamp will pulse slowly on and off, which they are pulsing slowly on and off. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi. Yeah. Oh, flip it. Change Wi-Fi password.
Yeah, I do know it.
Phone is connected to Wi-Fi, and it's still pulsing, doing its thing. Hopefully, it's doing this flashing thing, so it should be connecting to your phone now. Takes a little while, doesn't it?
Yeah, just a bit.
Luckily, we're warm in the house and not sitting outside, because that'd be a rubbish job. Electricians do sit in the house and do keep warm.
So Ben, talk us through what happened to this light then.
Well, that light, I was clambering around at the back of the van, and unfortunately I stood on it. But I did use a bit of CT1 and fixed it. See?
That's such a Ben thing to do. Why waste the light? Yeah.
Too right, yeah, the light works fine. It was just a clamp. So all I needed to do was just get it sorted.
Still flashing.
Yeah. Attempted to connect. F-type.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Add to room.
Add to room. That room is bedroom. You can change that later on if you want.
Well, what difference does that make? It's very sensitive. Like, wanting to know about your whole life.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah, everything, where you live and whatnot. So we'll just use it as F-type RIB. RGB, so it's red, green, blue. Go to device control page. Right.
Also, you can dim them.
Right. So we've just connected to one at the minute. We've connected to that one. We want to connect to all 4 of them. It should pick up all 4 because then we want to group them into one room, so then they all work at the same time. Because there's no point having one light, is there? Effect.
There we go.
Disco. There we go. Partying on down. But then as well, for when you can set them on a delay so they come on at a certain time, but like an alarm as well. There's some stuff you can do with it. But then if I do this.
Oh, they're nice. Having them on just white.
White light.
Yeah, I'll leave them on that. Yeah. And there we have it.
And there we go. That is your lights all set up, so when you can go into disco mode, you can start flashing. Now, the last thing, would you like me to teach you some disco moves?
Oh yeah.